lands of Irayefa state, amidst the towering baobab trees and expansive savanna, Musa, the revered leader of the people of Irayefa, selected Yusuf, son of Nun, for a crucial mission. The people gathered under the grand baobab, the air thick with anticipation. Yusuf and a small group of spies set out to scout the Bonkowa territory near the borders of Uwa state. They moved silently through the dense bush, their eyes keen and senses alert to every sound. The spies observed the Bonkowa camp from a hidden vantage point in the rocky hills of Gomuwa state. The enemy warriors were numerous and well-armed, their camp bustling with activity. Yusuf returned to Musa with detailed information about the Bonkowa forces. The people of Irayefa prepared for battle, their spirits buoyed by Yusuf's confident report. As night fell, the people of Irayefa gathered around campfires, singing songs of faith and courage. Musa and Haruna moved among the people, offering words of encouragement and prayers. At dawn, the battle commenced. The people of Irayefa, led by Yusuf, charged with fierce determination, clashing with the Bonkowas in a burst of spears and shields. Musa, accompanied by Haruna and Shehu, climbed a nearby hill. With his hands raised to the heavens, he called upon God's favor for victory. As long as Musa kept his hands raised, the people of Irayefa gained the upper hand. The battle surged back and forth, the outcome hanging in the balance. Musa's arms grew weary, and he struggled to keep them raised. Haruna and Shehu quickly supported him, holding his hands steady, ensuring the people of Irayefa's advantage. Yusuf fought valiantly, leading his men with unparalleled bravery. He faced the Bonkowa commander in a fierce duel, their weapons clashing with thunderous force. A Bonkowa warrior launched a surprise attack on Yusuf. With quick reflexes, Yusuf deflected the blow, narrowly escaping death. Encouraged by Yusuf's bravery, the people of Irayefa rallied with renewed vigor, pressing their advantage against the Bonkowas. Suddenly, a miraculous sign appeared in the sky, a bright, glowing light that filled the people of Irayefa with awe and strengthened their resolve. Seeing the divine sign, the Bonkowas began to falter, their confidence shaken. The people of Irayefa pressed their advantage, pushing the enemy back. Yusuf's leadership shone as he directed his warriors with precision, turning the tide decisively in favor of the people of Irayefa. With a final, coordinated push, the people of Irayefa broke through the Bonkowa lines, sending their enemies into a chaotic retreat. As the sun set, the people of Irayefa celebrated their hard-won victory. They gathered in the camp, singing and dancing, praising God for his deliverance. Musa, with tears in his eyes, thanked God for the victory. He led the people in a heartfelt prayer of gratitude, the night sky filled with their voices. The next morning, the people of Irayefa honored their fallen warriors, burying them with respect and remembering their bravery and sacrifice. With the battle over, the people of Irayefa tended to their wounded. Healers moved among the injured, using traditional remedies to heal their warriors. Yusuf, reflecting on the battle, felt a deep sense of responsibility and gratitude. He knew their victory was due to faith and unity. Musa and Yusuf worked to strengthen the unity among the tribes, emphasizing the importance of faith and collective strength. The community held a grand ceremony to reaffirm their faith in God. They sang hymns, danced, and shared stories of divine intervention. The bonds among the people of Irayefa grew stronger as they shared their experiences and supported one another, creating a more unified and resilient community. Yusuf and the leaders prepared the community for future challenges, instilling in them the values of bravery, courage, and faith in God. Musa and the elders shared their wisdom and experiences with the younger generation, ensuring the legacy of faith and courage would continue. With renewed faith and unity, the people of Irayefa looked to the future with hope and determination, ready to face whatever lay ahead. A memorial was built to commemorate the victory over the Bonkowas, serving as a reminder of God's deliverance and the community's bravery. Yusuf made a solemn oath to lead the people with integrity and faith, dedicating himself to the service of God and his community. The story of the battle and the victory became a cherished part of the people of Irayefa's heritage, passed down through generations as a testament to faith.